Hello, my name is Mayor Martin. I am the owner of PetPeePee, a company that specializes to clean Oriental rug and drapery from dog and cat's urine odor, the only one in the world that's guaranteed in writing totally urine odor removal permanently without using any deodorizer or enzyme to mask the urine odor. We remove the urine odor totally, completely, guarantee in writing. Take a look how I do that. So you probably said to yourself, what's the difference? Every carpet cleaning the Oriental rug the same. Let me show you a cleaning process that nobody in the world have anything closer to this invention. I build a system from scratch and I take a lot of pride. The beautiful Persian rug laid on a vacuum floor. The suction coming from under the rug. So all the dirt, the pee-pee, everything will flush through the rug. And everything will fall down to the pen and go to the sewage. Pee-pee is supposed to go to the sewage. Now I have a tube. And the tube show me all the dirty water on the way to the sewage. As long the tube is yellow, brown, light brown, I continue the process. Because I'm using only organic cleaning product, the product don't have any smell, no soap, no deodorize. I have to flush all the pee-pee and the soap that the customer used in the past. It didn't make any difference what type of rug I put on a vacuum floor. If it's a Persian rug, if it's an area rug, it doesn't matter. Everything go through the rug and go to the sewage. And when the tube is clear, I know I finished the job. That's it. Now the rug is clean. No chemicals, nothing in it. It's better than it came from the factory. The vacuum extracts all the water. I put the rug on the vacuum floor. I brush the rug one way, the same way how you finish your hairdresser. And the lady just make the hair look nice. And the rug will dry on the floor. That's it. I complete the cleaning process. After the rug dry on the floor for 12 hours, I hang the rug, shake the rug, all the dust will fall down, and I ship the rug to your door.
carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.